We just arrived yesterday to Turkey and it's our first morning here. We're now having some breakfast and then we're gonna get some peeling done before getting tan. This way you get to tan a lot better. It's really awesome here and you don't even feel that there is some COVID going on. All the staff is wearing masks and everything, but for us as guests we don't have to, so that's amazing. I'm having a true English breakfast, so I've got some chicken sausages, I've got some beans, and my husband ordered some of this donut looking little thingies. What are they called? Like the little donuts? Decided to go for this rahat lukum, the green ones for my husband, and then I've got the red ones. He already ate one, that's why there is only one left. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Aika, welcome. We finally arrived to Turkey on our vacation. We managed to escape from Switzerland, which was amazing. So while we are here, I'm gonna try and vlog as much as you can, show you around, show you the hotel and everything. I'll also try to show you my outfits, but for now I just quickly wanted to show you our room, what we have in here. We just had the peeling before tanning. It's so much better if you do it right when you arrive, so then your tan looks very even and it stays longer. And we all dressed up, ready to go to the beach. But before we go, I'll quickly do the room tour. So here is the room. We've got this cute little sitting area over here. We have some flowers, so pretty. And what else? The fruits over there, some wine. Because of COVID, they have to sanitize everything, and as you can see, everything is protected with this film. We've got some bottle of wine, I think it's red wine over here. Then in here we've got this 4 scents for different scents. They're called elements, and you can basically choose one, your favorite, and then your entire room during your stay will smell exactly the same. This is the one we chose. It's called tangerine and it smells so nice. I really love this wallpaper and the whole decor in general. I think they did such a great job. It looks really amazing. So yeah, that's the sitting area. Then moving on, we've got this, it's like a console I guess, and we have the TV. Wrong way. So here is the TV and you can hide it if you want to. There is a remote for that. Then we've got the Nespresso machine with some coffee. We have the mini bar in here. This is everything we've got. By the way, whenever you travel to Turkey, everything is included. It's the all-inclusive system, I guess. So everything you see, everything you want, it's basically free. It's already included in the price. And I love these cute little cups, again, because of COVID. And here is the bed. I think this is the queen size. It could be the king size, so it's pretty large and it is so comfy. I love it. Got some lights on top. And then here is the bathroom. By the way, that's my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this white swimming suit. This one I believe was from Oysho, same as the linen shorts. They're so comfy and very breathable and super light. Then I've got my Dior visor. I love this thing, but I barely used it when I first purchased it, and this year I was like, no, I have to use it because it's so gorgeous, and since I bought it I need to use everything that I have. And I've got my Fendi glasses. So the visor, I really love the color of it, and the sunglasses. So here's a little vanity. We've got the mirrors in here, 2 sinks, which is amazing because we're 2 and it's way more convenient. Then there is the toilet. What else do we have here? And then here is the shower and the jacuzzi. And I really love how spacious this whole area is. And then on this side we've got the dressing room, so everything is very open. It's like a studio. We've got our suitcases. The shoes are all at the bottom. Got the book tote and all of our clothes in here and also here. So this is all of my beach wear. I brought this hat, some t-shirts, and then shorts and skirts over there. It's a little bit of a mess, but we don't have any drawers, unfortunately. Then I've got this hat, my bobby bag. By the way, if you haven't seen the unboxing, I'll link it in the description box and up here. And then over here we've got this little terrace. And I love the view of the mountains. I think it's so beautiful. And nature in here is really awesome. There is so many greenery around us, a lot of trees, a lot of grass, so it's all green. Got some sitting area again. There is also the aqua park. We really want to go and try. Oh, the sea is right there. Some tennis courts. So this is what our room looks like. It's really gorgeous, very spacious. And now we're gonna go to the beach, finally take our first swim in the sea. We're so excited. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. But it's almost lunchtime, so I think we'll swim for a little bit and then have some lunch. So I'll see you in a bit, I guess. So guys, it's already 8 p.m. I'm ready to go to dinner. I'm waiting for my husband to dress up. He was watching some YouTube. But this is my outfit today. I put this very bright lipstick. I think it's the second time I'm using it. The first one was just for fun to see how it looks. But today I've decided to put it on. This is from Fenty Beauty. I think the color is called Tangerine, and I've decided to go for it because I've got this t-shirt that has a little bit of orange and I thought it just looks pretty nice. Then I've got my Chanel mini square today, and then I've got these shorts that you have probably seen from my H&M haul, so they're from H&M, I guess. And then I've got this belt. This is from Dolce & Gabbana. This is actually quite old. I think I bought it about, I can't even remember, about 4 maybe 5 years ago, but I don't really use it that much. So today I've just decided to go for it because these shorts, they have loops in them, and they just, I don't know, I think they just look nicer with a little belt. And that's my outfit. For my shoes, I've got my Chanel Camellia slides. And this is the outfit. Today was such a fun day, and we still have the whole evening ahead of us. We are not sure what we're gonna do, but we'll have dinner now. Then we'll probably watch the show. It starts at 9, I guess. And after that, we can go and do whatever. We can play some basketball. We'll see. But it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm very excited. Today it was all about swimming, and it was so nice. The water is really warm. It's just so beautiful here. It wasn't that hot, it was just perfect. I love it here. I'll try to vlog a little bit more tonight if I can, and if I don't forget. If not, then I guess I'll see you tomorrow. We ordered some food, and this is the minestrone soup. I know it doesn't look nice, but it's very dark in here. We've got some little starters, and we're waiting for the food for my husband. So that's my next dish. I got some eggplant parmigiana, looks so yum, and then my husband got some pasta with spinach. Mine looks more delicious. I don't know, I felt vegetarian today. Hi guys, it's the next day and we are having breakfast right now. We have some salad with some veggies. We've got the cucumber, cherry tomatoes. Then we've got this cheese plate with some turkey. I think it's turkey, maybe it's beef, I have no idea. And over here we've got some bread. The plan for today was to wake up earlier than yesterday and we failed. Last night we went to bed even later than the night when we arrived, so I think it was about 2 in the morning and we woke up at around 10 and we're only having breakfast now and it's 11:15. And then we'll go to the beach, right, to swim. And then we've got darts at 1. At 2? I thought it was at 1. And we also want to go to the aqua park. And you got the GoPro Max, right? So I can include some footage from your camera. And what else? We also have the laser tag game today. Is it today?
Yeah.
But did they confirm?
It's open at 12.
Okay, so we've got a lot of things to do today. It's another exciting adventure and I'm excited. I completely forgot to show you my food and I started to eat it. So basically here we've got a little bit of the sauteed mushrooms, the beans and my Benedict egg. You might be wondering why we're staying on the grass instead of the white sandy looking part of the beach. The thing is, because the sand is so white, it reflects all the sun and gets incredibly hot over there, so we prefer staying on the grass. It's a little bit cooler and it's green, so you don't get as much heat, you don't get any reflection basically, and they also water the grass all the time, so it feels really cold and really nice. So my husband ordered some, what's that? The iced coffee?
Iced coffee and vodka.
And they brought this little shot and I was like, is that vodka? Did he order some Irish coffee? But it's basically sugar. That's so cool. So if you want some sugar inside, you can just pour this into the cup. Lunch is here. Hi guys, so it's the ending of the second day already. We had such a fun day today because we went to Aqua Park and we tried pretty much everything in there and it was a lot of fun. Swam at the sea as always. We spent so much time at the beach today, even more than yesterday, and I'm so happy about it. We also played some laser tag today in the evening, which was a lot of fun as well, and now we're gonna go to dinner. But I also quickly wanted to talk about the whole COVID situation in the hotel. So basically the scariest part of traveling was definitely the airplanes and the airports, because they were pretty crowded and not everybody wore masks, although everybody had to wear masks, but it was all right. We stayed in our masks all the time. We switched them twice, so it was pretty safe. At the arrival we still kept the masks on until we arrived at the hotel. In the hotel, the only people who wear masks are the staff members, and they also wear gloves, some of them. They sanitize pretty much everything. As I showed you in the beginning of this video, everything in our room was sealed and sanitized, and everything is marked as sanitized. And even when we just arrived at the hotel and before even entering the room was sealed with a sticker saying sanitized. So They take it very seriously, but for us guests, we don't have to wear any masks or anything. What I loved is that in the elevator, in order for you not to touch any buttons, they actually place some wooden sticks that you can use. Everybody is advised to keep the distance. We are definitely keeping the social distance, and in general the hotel is pretty spacious, so there is plenty of space for everyone. Also, even at the beach, when you walk in and you want to get the towels, all of the towels are sealed in the plastic bags. It's not good for the environment, but these are the measures you have to take to keep everyone safe and healthy, and this is what the hotels have to do now. And when you go to the restaurant to eat, there are no menus. You can't take anything from the buffet. You have to order everything, so the waiter comes and takes your order, and in order to do that, the menu is all in the app, which you have to download to your phone, and then you can just choose the restaurant you're at and see the menu and just order whatever you like. It's that simple. It is actually even better in my opinion. You always get this restaurant experience, which is always nice. But I think I'll finish the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. These are 2 days in paradise. We are so happy to be here. We are still waiting for the reply from our families if they'll be able to travel here. We would be so happy to see them. And this is my outfit of the day. So I'm wearing this top, which you've probably seen in one of my videos already. Then I've got this linen shorts. They're from Massimo Dutti and they're so good. I love them because they're so light and breathable. And I'm carrying my Hermes Evelyn TPM because it's also green and it matches my shorts. And for the shoes, I've got this Chanel slides. They're so comfy and I just wanted a pop of color, and I think pink is so much fun and it sort of matches my nails. So that's the shoes. And for the lipstick, I've got again Fenty Beauty lipstick, and I don't remember the name, but I'll try to link it in the description box. But I love this color. It is so bright and it looks so cool. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.